We have a chair here. Let's see if we can figure this out. So, hey, yeah, take that. So, oh, instructions. Slip the backpack onto the short 2 poles. Dougie's taking care of the box. Some kind of steel frame in here. So let's see what happens on me. And okay, well, it looks like these just, okay, this makes sense, doesn't it? That goes through that and there, and so everything is fastened together with these elastic pieces, so that's nice. Nothing much to figure out. You just kind of those look like the feet. Insert the, we'll just try and figure this out. So it's got a pocket there. Let's see what makes the most sense. Right, so it's got two pockets here. It's got a pocket there like that, one like that, but this is a little bit of a stretch somehow. So you kind of have to stretch this over there. Let's see if we can get that on. It's probably going to loosen up after it's been used for a while. Okay, it looks good. It shows something in the picture with this, I guess, so you don't lose the bag. You can figure that one out later. See how comfortable this is. Huh, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I could fall asleep in this.